You can always count on China to push the boundaries of innovation, but this time, it's taking things to a whole new level. From floating SUVs to futuristic aerial trains, China is rapidly advancing in transport technology, leaving the US struggling to keep up. Let's take a look at the cutting-edge vehicles and systems that are reshaping the future of mobility. Number 1. The BYD Yang Wang U8. China's BYD Yang Wang U8 is no ordinary SUV, it's making waves, literally. This high-tech vehicle can float in water up to 1.5 meters deep, making it a game-changer for extreme conditions. Equipped with a hydraulic suspension system, the U8 can rise or lower by 150 mm to handle rough terrain with ease. One of its standout features: a 360-degree tank turn, allowing it to spin in place while stationary, perfect for off-roading or making a statement in a parking lot. And in case of an emergency, like a flooded street, the U8 automatically activates its emergency floating mode, sealing the windows, shutting off the engine, turning on the air conditioning, and even opening the sunroof. It can stay buoyant for 30 minutes and move at 3 km/h, though it's strictly for emergencies, not for cruising on a lake. This isn't just an SUV, it's a glimpse into the future of vehicle adaptability. Number 2. China's Sky Train. China's latest unmanned aerial train is straight out of a sci-fi movie. It runs on a 10.5 km long monorail and can carry up to 200 passengers at a time, moving at 60 km/h. Unlike traditional trains, this system is elevated above ground, helping cities avoid congestion and making travel smoother and more efficient. The most impressive part: the entire monorail system was built in just 7 months, the same time it usually takes to lay standard train tracks. With lower accident risks, high capacity, and minimal space requirements, this could be a game-changer for public transportation worldwide. Number 3. EHang 216S. A new revolution in urban transport is taking flight, literally. The EHang 216S, an autonomous passenger drone, is designed for short to medium distance travel. With 8 pairs of electric rotors, it can carry 2 passengers while maintaining an eco-friendly and quiet operation, perfect for city environments. What makes it even more futuristic? It's fully autonomous. The onboard flight control system handles takeoff, navigation, and landing without any human intervention. And for safety, it's built to land safely even if one rotor fails. With a 130 km/h max speed and a 3,000-meter operational ceiling, this is one step closer to turning flying taxis into an everyday reality. Number 4. NIO ET9. NIO's ET9 electric sedan isn't just another EV, it comes with a feature you didn't know you needed. When snow piles up on its roof, the ET9 can shake it off like a dog, using a high-tech chassis and hydraulic suspension system. The dual-motor drivetrain delivers an impressive 77 horsepower, and with a 120 kWh battery, it can travel up to 255 kilometers on a single charge. The best part? You can recharge in just 5 minutes. It's high-tech, high-performance, and priced at $110,000, perfect for those who want cutting-edge tech with a touch of luxury. Number 5. Xpeng X3. The Xpeng X3 is China's boldest attempt at making flying cars a reality. Weighing 1,936 kilograms, it features an 8-rotor system for vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, meaning you can switch from driving to flying seamlessly. In car mode, it functions like a standard EV, but with the push of a button, it transforms into a flying vehicle, allowing for aerial travel with a top speed of 130 km/h and a 35-minute flight time. Inside, the cabin is designed for 2 passengers with a 270 degrees panoramic view, offering the perfect mix of modern automotive comfort and aviation excitement. With both manual and automatic flight controls, the X3 is bringing us closer to a world where flying cars aren't just a fantasy. Number 6. Lazareth LMV 496. Imagine a motorcycle that doesn't just speed down the road but lifts off into the air. That's exactly what the Lazareth LMV 496 brings to the table. Designed by French engineer Ludovic Lazareth, this electric bike transforms into a flying machine at the push of a button. On the ground, it operates like a high-speed electric motorcycle with a 60-mile range. But the real magic happens when its 4 jet turbines tilt downward, unleashing 1,300 horsepower to propel the bike into the air. It can stay airborne for up to 10 minutes, making it a futuristic hybrid of motorcycle and jet technology. With a price tag of $500,000, this isn't just a bike, it's an engineering marvel, proving that the future of personal transport is already here. Number 7. GAC Gove. Chinese automaker GAC is taking transportation innovation to the next level with the Go flying car. Unlike traditional flying vehicles, this design features a two-part structure: a wheeled chassis on the bottom and a detachable drone capsule on top. The upper section is equipped with 6 folding rotor blades, allowing it to lift off the ground while the lower half remains behind. The Go is fully autonomous, meaning there's no need for manual controls. Passengers simply enter their destination on a touchscreen, and the vehicle takes care of the rest. One of its most impressive features, the drone section can autonomously navigate to a recharging station mid-flight, ensuring minimal downtime and extended operational range. Whether on the road or in the sky, the Go is redefining what a car can be. Number 8. Jump Aero JA1. The Jump Aero JA1 isn't just another flying vehicle, it's designed to revolutionize emergency response. This electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft is built for rapid deployment, helping first responders reach critical situations faster than ever before. With its electric propulsion system, the JA1 offers quiet, emissions-free travel, making it ideal for urban areas and remote locations where traditional emergency vehicles struggle. Equipped with an intuitive flight control system, it's designed to be easy to operate while maintaining top-tier safety features. Whether responding to a crisis or providing ultra-fast personal transport, the Jump Aero JA1 represents the future of aviation: fast, efficient, and built for the modern world. Number 9. Rosenbauer RT. Firefighting is getting a futuristic upgrade with the Rosenbauer RT, a high-tech hybrid fire truck designed to tackle emergencies with greater efficiency and sustainability. Developed by Austrian company Rosenbauer, this truck is built for modern urban environments, addressing challenges like climate change, urbanization, and evolving emergency needs. Unlike traditional fire trucks, the RT features a hybrid powertrain, allowing it to operate on electric power at emergency sites. This reduces noise and emissions, making it more environmentally friendly while still delivering top performance. The RT isn't just about clean energy, it's also designed for better accessibility and faster response times, ensuring that firefighters have quick access to critical equipment when every second counts. With its compact yet powerful build, this fire truck is setting a new standard for emergency response vehicles worldwide. As China continues to push the boundaries of transportation technology, the competition with the US is heating up. From flying cars and autonomous trains to floating SUVs and emergency eVTOLs, these innovations aren't just concepts, they're already reshaping the way we move. While China focuses on rapid development and large-scale implementation, the US is investing in cutting-edge features, luxury, and sustainability. Both nations are racing toward the same goal: a future where transportation is faster, cleaner, and more advanced than ever before. One thing is clear: the next era of mobility is unfolding right now. And as these technologies continue to evolve, the question remains: who will lead the future of transportation? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these kinds of videos. Thanks for watching.